Welcome to the Snake Pit.
Alright. This video is dedicated to Joey, cuz go check him out. He's my favorite DeLorean builder. I told you. Link will be down below. Little shipment here from Eaglemoss, and I'm hoping with the size of this box that it is going to contain the missing issue 60. I'm missing issue 60, 64, 66, 67, and 68. Yeah, and there's all these other issues they've been sending in and around and beyond that. But you can't move forward without issue 60. Did we get it? Did we get it? It looks like we did. Alright, looks like I got issue 60, 64, 66, 67. And is that it? So I'm still missing 68. Bastards. Bastards! Eaglemoss. But oh yeah, let's get a little peeky-boo at what we're dealing with here. I'm just happy. Ooh, we got even a door panel. I'm just happy to be able to finally start moving forward again, because I have just been amassing issues at a standstill, and I was worried about this big guy. We got the upper frame. Is it even in camera? Alright, so I will dig this. Ooh, we got a screwdriver with it, and all of the little bits and pieces have fallen out of the blister pack here, the way they did it. I mean, boy, they just half-ass shoving stuff around, I guess. So I'll have to hopefully find everything that's supposed to be included with the kit. Oh crap. Something just freaking rolled off. Alright, I'm going to open this up and try to inventory before I lose any other parts. Stand by. Oh, got so lucky. Show you what I'm dealing with here. Light may not be good enough, but so I've got my spare parts box of all my crap down here, but this guy, luckily, this little spring that had fallen out of that little package rolled into that box. Okay. Alright, I'm a little pissed. Spoke too soon. I'm thinking I got lucky. I'm actually missing one of these springs here. I'm supposed to have two. And, you know, you saw the video. Only one dropped out, but I did go ahead and thoroughly search the whole area. But I need two of those springs. One for each side of the door pin here, whatever that is. So the whole thing, I mean, I'm going to have to look and see if I can move forward with any other issues, but because it looks like I'm going to be doing stuff to this stupid thing, and then it's just going to be sitting around for a while. I don't know, on its own. So more just, this is a bad kit. This is a bad kit. I hate it. But I'm kind of locked into this death spiral right now with it. Let me contact Eaglemoss. You know, this box is all jacked up. Well, the parts spewing about, and you would think that would kind of cradle it and hold it, but look at this. Not when there's like a big giant melted hole or cut hole right there on that one side of the plastic. So those things have vibrated on out and dipped on out. And I checked the packing box. I checked everything. That thing is somewhere between here and China. Thanks, Joey. Dedicated to you. Boom.